Hello you lot, this is KeefCooks. I'm Keith and today I'm going to do some proper comfort food. I'm going to make corned beef hash. Before we start, Michael Wade wants a shout out for his friend Elena, whose birthday is soon, on the 19th of October in fact, which is the day before mine. So, a great time to be born. Anyway, happy birthday, Elena. So this was kind of requested by Bronson2K19, who just asked the other day in a comment. He says, have you done corned beef hash? And as it happens, I have. I did it in 2015. It's well worth a revamp and I love it, and that's what's for tea today. So let's get on with it. Oh, by the way, if you enjoy this video, give it a like, share, subscribe, etc. And yeah, here we go. Corned beef hash. Now, I wouldn't say there's really a fixed recipe for corned beef hash. It's down to you, your preferences, what you've got left over in the fridge that you need to get used up. So I've seen people add carrots, peas, cabbage, whatever, but I'm just doing the really basic. I don't think you could get much more basic than this. So you need a can of corned beef in a stupid shaped can, a medium onion, some potatoes, and a ½ litre of stock made up from a cube, maybe a teaspoon of English mustard if you like, a bit of chopped parsley, more as a garnish than an ingredient. And what's the other thing? Oh yes, Worcestershire sauce, except I'm in Yorkshire so I have to use this, and I got a new bottle of this today, which they've changed the label. Shock horror, tradition, what's happening? Duh. I like the new label, it's very good. Strong and northern, like me. Anyway, I'm witching, let's get on with it. Chop things up, spuds first. Right, these potatoes are nice and clean and shiny, so I'm not going to peel them completely. I'm just cutting out the little slightly scabby bits, and then cut them into little cubes, about 1 centimetre, just under ½ an inch. So actually what I'm doing with the stock cube, I'm not doing the stock separately. I've got the potatoes in there, I'm going to put water in there and dissolve the stock cube in there as well. And then bring that to boil and simmer it. Sexy turtle. Just enough water to come to the top of the potatoes. And squeeze these in. I've been having a lot of comments from people about these things recently. I've always used oxtail stock cubes. This is not an advert. Never got on with Knorr because they were far too salty, and really there's only own brand supermarket as competitors in this country. Put that on the stove, bring it to the boil. I need to peel and dice the onion the old-fashioned way. And finally chop your parsley. This is purely here to reduce the beigeness of the hash, because it is well, it's a pretty rubbish looking dish, you know, like many sort of one pot dishes are. Even though they taste fantastic, they don't always look great. Open the stupid can with the stupid key that's not there. I've got no key. Okay, take two. Open the stupid can with fine nose pliers. Yeah, baby. I don't know why corned beef always comes in cans this shape, and you know, usually, well, it's the first time I've lost the key, never had the key that comes with it, and you know, that rips it open and leaves these incredibly viciously sharp edges for you to cut yourself on if you're not careful. And then let's see if we can get it out. Of course we can't. Okay, I've just run the knife around the edge to loosen it, and that's worked. So cut that into dice about the same size as the potatoes. So the liquid that the potatoes are part cooking in is almost gone. Well, it's about half gone. We'll set that aside. We need a big frying pan. We'll add a good glug of rapeseed oil, canola oil into that, get that hot, and then add the diced onion. We'll let that cook for about 5 minutes, and you can let it get a little bit brown. And we'll strain out the potatoes and put those in, and let those saute for 5 to 10 minutes, and try and get a sort of little bit of browning on the edges of those. Okay, that's all sticking a bit, so I'm going to add more oil, and then the corned beef. And a bit more oil on that as well. I'll just put that last bit of stock liquid in there because I forgot to put it in earlier. And a teaspoon of English mustard. Stir in a good sploosh of Worcestershire sauce or Henderson, and then give it a taste. If it needs more salt, add more salt. If it needs pepper, add pepper. Actually, a bit of salt. I don't know if I got low salt corned beef because normally it's pretty salty stuff, but this isn't. Now, some people like a crispy, crunchy top on their hash. If you do want that, you can stick it under the grill, the broiler, for, well, 5 minutes. What I do like is a fried egg, so let's do that. And now, it's taste time with Mrs. KeefCooks. They're up. And it's winter, so...
Yeah. Can I eat a winter warmer with the shawl on?
Yeah.
Hey, it looks good.
Yeah.
Doesn't it?
Yeah. Okay, get stuck in.
It's my egg, look. It distresses him to make eggs the way I like them, but he does it.
They're smashing. Right, and that was Ronnie 10 minutes ago. Hey-ho.
What, before you first cracked it? It's corned beef hash, that. It is. It's one of your winter comfort foods. You can eat it in a bowl. You can have it at the table or on your knee.
Yeah, come on, you keep talking, I can't think of anything. It's fab.
You've been cooking all afternoon and you're tired, aren't you?
Yeah, that. Yeah. Oh. Okay, yeah. Oh,
Yeah, it's another one of those meat and potato things that makes you happy.
aye. Thank you for watching. And, what? See you next time.